Jen and Ben, it's not too smoky in Hartford right now, but off in the distance, it definitely is hazy, and there's some pretty thick smoke in northeast and southwest Connecticut right now. We have some pictures of some of this from earlier today. Take a look at this one from Guilford, kind of a hazy, milky appearance to the sky, and I could actually smell a little bit of smoke there when that picture was taken. Another great shot from northeast Connecticut in the hills there. You can see how as you go off in the distance, the visibility gets less and less, and that's because the smoke was pretty thick there earlier on today. And we could see this coming yesterday because there is a pretty big wildfire burning nearly 6,000 acres on the southern tip of Nova Scotia. And yesterday, that plume of smoke, which you see on the satellite imagery, was going south. And then today, the wind flow is coming in out of the east, moving that smoke from east to west into southern New England, and that's what we've been dealing with through the day today, this plume of smoke, which is pretty narrow and low to the ground, which makes it different from the wildfire smoke we dealt with earlier this month. That was higher up and a bit more spread out. This is a little bit more compact and also lower down, which is why people have been able to smell it through the course of the day today. Now, it is moving. The visibility in a place like New Haven and the air quality in a place like New Haven has actually started to improve after the smoke particles spiked really quickly, noontime, 1 o'clock today, as that plume moved through. So if you're in western and northwestern parts of the state, expect the air quality to go down over the next couple of hours, and there may be about a 4-hour period with pretty low air quality. But since this plume of smoke is moving, overall the impact is pretty minimal, but some people have been able to smell it and have even called the local fire department asking whether or not there's a brush fire in the area. And in most cases, it hasn't been a local fire. It's been that smoke blowing in from the east that people have been able to smell out there today. It might make for a nice sunset in some places tonight too, and maybe even a good sunrise in some spots tomorrow. Beyond the smoke though, it's going to get hot later this week, and with much more on our forecast going forward, let's head inside to Rachel.